Hi QGIS lovers! In this video we will show you how to correct street layout of a town. As you can see, we have a completely messed up street structure on some places and we will correct it. Like, we are searching for these units where two different classes of the same street collide. And we just select the classes by going to select here, set the features, turn on the layer for editing, and merge the features by going here, or the shortcut. And to determine the class, we usually choose the most used street in this case. To simplify the process, because I see that the higher classes of streets are very well drawn, I will turn them off. That is done by going to this arrow here and right clicking and hide all items, and I will turn only this class and of course the gray one, and which other? These two. I'm turning the lower classes which will be edited. And what else? Let's see the structure. I will turn this off. Turn this. And click apply. Now you see we are focusing only on the gray and purple ones, like you see here, and we just unified. Again, I will just use class number 5 in this case. You can also select few features like here. You see this is a main street here. Actually, it's very important street, and it shall be from here to here, and let's say it is other class, not this gray. I want it to become purple. I will go to the attributes and type in class, I will type 7. And what else? This street is going to here, so I will merge it. This one as well, and I will simply merge it. When we have such things, we will connect them. I will create a new feature. I will type in class 7 and I will unify these. Using the attributes from this feature and unifying or merging, the same. We have another great street here, which you see it has to end here, and I will add another point here because the corner is never this deep. I will make it like this. I just double clicked and added some points. By merging features that are basically the same feature but split to many intersections, you will reduce greatly the number of features in the layer, and that will make loading the attribute table easier. This is ending here, and this feature I want it to continue down, because you see this is the same street. That is done by first splitting this feature. I will go to the split features tool. This I'm always using the shortcuts, and just selecting it and merging. and now I will use the attributes of this one. And these are basically some of the most important techniques to edit a line layer. First, splitting, merging, selecting, of course, everything must be selected, and deleting when you have some elements like this, for example, that are obviously mistaken, and you select them and press delete. Or changing the attribute of a selected feature. If I want to change the class of this street to be gray, I will just move it up and just type the attribute of the gray symbology. We showed you how to edit a line layer and correct mistakes in it. And I'm looking forward to your questions. Post them below, I will answer them as soon as possible. And also post your suggestions for your next video that will help you improve your QGIS and architectural practice. It is Nicola Lalev from ADIsoft signing off.